Hey there, everyone! Welcome to this exciting journey. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of soy milk, a beverage that's been gaining popularity for all the right reasons. It's a delicious and nutritious alternative to cow's milk, perfect for those who are lactose intolerant or looking to cut down on dairy. Soy milk is made from soybeans, which are soaked, ground, and then boiled to create this creamy drink. It's naturally lactose-free, dairy-free, and cholesterol-free, making it a heart-healthy choice. Soy milk is a versatile drink that comes in various flavors, from vanilla to chocolate, catering to different taste preferences. You can enjoy it plain, in smoothies, or even as a base for your morning coffee. It's also a fantastic ingredient in cooking and baking, adding a rich texture to your favorite recipes. It's becoming increasingly popular. More people are discovering its health benefits, such as being a good source of protein and essential vitamins. I'm excited to share my love for soy milk with you and delve into its many advantages. We'll explore its incredible benefits, including how it can help with weight management and improve heart health. And I'll even show you how to make it at home. It's easier than you might think and can be a fun kitchen project. Get ready to be amazed by the power of soy milk and how it can fit into your daily routine. It's a simple drink that can make a big difference in your life. Let's get started and embrace the benefits of soy milk together. Soy milk is a fantastic source of plant-based protein. It contains all 9 essential amino acids. These are the building blocks of protein. Our bodies need them for energy, growth, and repair. A single cup of soy milk provides around 7 grams of protein. That's comparable to cow's milk. Soy protein is also high quality. This means it's easily absorbed and used by the body. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or simply looking to boost your protein intake, soy milk is a great choice. Add it to your diet and experience the power of plant-based protein. Soy milk is not just about protein. It's also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It's a good source of B vitamins, including riboflavin and vitamin B12. These vitamins are crucial for energy production and nerve function. Additionally, soy milk contains calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus. These nutrients are essential for strong bones and teeth. Soy milk is often fortified with these nutrients to enhance its nutritional value. By incorporating soy milk into your diet, you're providing your body with a wide range of essential nutrients. It's a delicious and convenient way to support your overall health and well-being. Soy milk can contribute to a healthy heart. It contains isoflavones, which are plant compounds with antioxidant properties. Isoflavones may help lower LDL, or bad cholesterol levels. This reduces the risk of heart disease. Moreover, soy milk is naturally cholesterol-free and low in saturated fat. These factors further contribute to its heart-healthy benefits. Studies have shown that regular consumption of soy protein may improve blood pressure and arterial health. If you're looking for a heart-healthy milk alternative, soy milk is an excellent choice. It's a delicious and nutritious way to support your cardiovascular system. Section 5. Digestive Delight Soy Milk for a Healthy Gut. Soy milk is a good source of dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to stool, promotes regularity, and prevents constipation. Unlike cow's milk, soy milk is lactose-free. Many people are lactose intolerant. This means their bodies have trouble digesting lactose, a sugar found in cow's milk. Soy milk provides a comfortable alternative for those with lactose intolerance. Additionally, soy milk contains prebiotics. These are substances that feed the beneficial bacteria in our gut. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall health and well-being. Section 6. Hormone Harmony, Soy Milk for Women's Health. Soy milk contains isoflavones, which are plant compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for women experiencing hormonal fluctuations. During menopause, estrogen levels decline, leading to symptoms like hot flashes and night sweats. Soy isoflavones may help alleviate these symptoms by providing estrogen-like effects. However, it's important to note that the effects of soy isoflavones on menopausal symptoms can vary from person to person. Some women may experience significant relief, while others may not notice a difference. Section 7. Weight Management. Wonder, soy milk, and a healthy weight. Soy milk is not just a trendy beverage, it's a powerful ally in your journey towards a healthier weight. soy milk can be a helpful addition to a weight management plan. It blends seamlessly into various recipes, from smoothies to baked goods, making it versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. It's naturally lower in calories compared to whole milk and some other milk alternatives. This means you can enjoy the creamy texture and rich taste without the extra calories that can add up over time. A 1-cup serving of unsweetened soy milk contains around 80 to 100 calories. This makes it an excellent choice for those who are mindful of their calorie intake but still want a satisfying beverage. This makes it a lighter choice for those watching their calorie intake. Whether you add it to your morning coffee or use it in your favorite recipes, soy milk can help you stay on track with your weight goals. Additionally, the protein and fiber in soy milk can promote feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie consumption. These nutrients help keep you satisfied longer, reducing the temptation to snack on less healthy options. By incorporating soy milk into a balanced diet and exercise regimen, you can support your weight management goals. It's not just about cutting calories, it's about making smarter choices that contribute to your overall well-being. It's a delicious and nutritious way to stay hydrated and satisfied. Enjoying a glass of soy milk with fresh fruits or as part of a balanced meal can make a significant difference in your health journey. Section 8. Homemade soy milk. A simple guide. Making your own soy milk at home is easier than you might think. It's a fun and rewarding process that allows you to control the ingredients and customize the flavor to your liking. The basic steps involve soaking soybeans, blending them with water, and straining the mixture to separate the milk from the pulp. Don't worry, we'll guide you through each step in detail in the next section. Homemade soy milk is not only delicious, but also free from additives and preservatives often found in store-bought versions. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of making your own fresh and nutritious plant-based milk. Section 9. Brewing your own soy milk, step by step. Today, we will guide you through the process of making fresh, homemade soy milk. It's a rewarding experience that allows you to control the ingredients and ensure the highest quality. Here's a simple recipe to make soy milk at home. It's not only healthier but also more cost-effective than store-bought versions. Ingredients: 1 cup dried soybeans, which will expand significantly after soaking. 4 cups water for soaking, to rehydrate the soybeans and make them easier to blend. And 6 cups water for blending. This will help achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. Equipment: a large bowl, blender, nut milk bag or cheesecloth, which will be used to strain the mixture and separate the milk from the pulp. Pot for heating the milk, and a storage container to keep your fresh soy milk in the refrigerator. Instructions: 1. Rinse the soybeans thoroughly under cold water. This helps to remove any dirt or impurities. 2. Place the soybeans in a large bowl and cover them with 4 cups of water. Make sure the soybeans are fully submerged. Let them soak for at least 8 hours or overnight. This step is crucial as it softens the soybeans, making them easier to blend. 3. Drain the soaked soybeans and rinse them well. This helps to remove any remaining soaking water and impurities. 4. Combine the soybeans with 6 cups of water in a blender. This ratio ensures a balanced consistency. Blend on high speed until the mixture is smooth and creamy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. 5. Line a large bowl with a nut milk bag or cheesecloth. This will help you strain the mixture effectively. Pour the blended mixture into the bag and squeeze or strain out as much liquid as possible. This step separates the milk from the soybean pulp. 6. Transfer the strained milk to a pot and heat over medium heat. Heating helps to improve the flavor and texture of the soy milk. Bring the milk to a simmer, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. This step is important to avoid burning the milk. 7. Once the milk comes to a simmer, reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the flavors to meld together. 8. Remove the pot from heat and let the milk cool slightly. Cooling makes it easier to handle and transfer. 9. Pour the cooled soy milk into a storage container and refrigerate for up to 3 to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade soy milk in smoothies, coffee, or just on its own.
Know you've been a good friend.
Section 10. Enjoy the benefits. A recap of soy milk's goodness. We've covered a lot of ground today about the amazing benefits of soy milk. From its impressive protein content to its heart-healthy properties and digestive support, soy milk is a true nutritional powerhouse. Whether you're looking for a dairy-free alternative, Want to boost your protein intake? Or simply want to try something new and delicious? Soy milk is an excellent choice. It's incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Remember, incorporating soy milk into a balanced diet can contribute to a healthier and happier you. So go ahead, give it a try and experience the difference. Section 11. Share your soy milk journey. I'm so excited for you to start incorporating soy milk into your diet. I know you're going to love its taste and all the incredible benefits it offers. I'd love to hear about your soy milk adventures. Share your favorite ways to enjoy soy milk. Tell me about the delicious recipes you create. Remember, we're in this together. Let's spread the word about the power of soy milk. Let's inspire others to make healthier choices. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.